Oh.
She's biting the rail. She's taking it. Oh my God! What a woman.
I did not realize she totally is biting the
No.
rail.
Heard of a donkey show, but.
Oh God, dude, that is so funny. She's totally biting the rail. Oh.
I'm gonna make Oz bite the rail. What? Bite the edge of your bed. Why? Do it.
He's like on top of her. Do you see both of his feet like on top of her back?
Oh! 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 That a boy. He's like, I feel so much better. I feel pregnant.
She looks fat as fuck, dude.
Maybe she'll have little birds.
Maybe we can shoot.
Feed to the cat.
I think he might want a birdie.
Him?
He does want a birdie.
Look, I gotta clean up after that.